What is good, everybody? Market just opened 3 seconds ago. We are not that late today. Um, and this is what I wanted to see. All right, so I'm on the high time frame. So we're dumping right now. EQ is no more thing. On the high time frame, clearly, all-time highs. We've been bullish, right? I'm still bullish. I think we're only going down mainly because kind of overextended here without like a pretty good retrace. As you can see, last one was probably this. Um, and this is a pretty good retrace. So I have some points in which we could reverse from. I don't think we'll hit this. I really don't know why I marked it out, but it's just pretty big wick. So, um, I mean, yeah. So now the only unfortunate thing is that we did tap into this 1 hour already. So I like really don't like that. Because we could respect the 1 hour. And that I don't want to see. And then obviously we have these three draws. I also had equilibrium marked out within this like range, but we reswept that high. So if any, and I'm missing candles. All right, great. Luckily, not taking a trade on. I'm not taking a trade on these accounts anyways. So it's not that big of a deal. Is it Tuesday? Oh, yeah. Holy crap, I didn't even check news, boys. Okay, bunch of nothing. Works out for me. But yeah, basically on the higher time frame. Alright, we just have a big candle here. I wonder if I can like control R. Does that even refresh on here? Save and reload. Alright. I mean, yeah, so we've definitely tapped into this 5 minute lower. Yeah, there we go. This is the type of rejection I want to see. And I'm bullish because of high time frame context. If we invalidate this 1 minute, I'm entering. This formed pretty fast. Holy crap. I mean, if it is gonna form, that is. How much left until this candle? 16 seconds. Ooh, we might invalidate right now. 1 or 2 contracts, boys. I'm probably gonna do one. I don't want to over leverage.
Order filled.
Y'all probably heard the order filled. Alright, now for draws, so I'm in. I got it like right there. Stop is here. For draws, clearly we're going break even here. And I'll show you my entry here once I have everything set up. Now for draws, yes, that's the thing that I wasn't really ready for. Because as for draws, we'll probably just have to target. I'm not sure. I should probably do it on this screen since it actually has my trade on it. So that 30 minute makes it, this 15 right here makes it a 1-to-1. Which isn't really that good. Or we can ride it to this next 5. I'm probably going to ride it to this next 5. That was probably the plan. Since we're going break even at that internal high. So the R I'm getting is 1.38. Frick, boys. I should have risked more. I should have risked 2 contracts. Bro, what was my settings on? Fuck. That's not good. This isn't even a winning day. Alright. Y'all see. I'm a little... Oh, crap. I'm a little cheeky. Winning day is 150. I'm a little cheeky right there. We don't even need that much. We just need... Oh, no, we need 150. Like, yeah. So and I got a slightly better entry than that. So this was the exact entry. I guess we can go ahead and just watch on this. But yeah, man, that setup formed pretty quick. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now I'm really upset. I should have risked two contract. Whether this is a winner or not, bro, I should have risked two. I did not mean to risk. Like, I didn't mean to risk only $100. I usually like to risk 200. It's just that when I put my my long position tool here, I had it set up like this, right? And usually settings. So this is telling me if I use, holy crap, on ES, if I use 15 contracts, it would be risking $200. Do you see what I'm saying? And I looked over and I was like, wait, let me double check my settings. Boom, it said 200, and this literally only said like 0.9 for $200. I was like, what the heck? Or maybe I'm geeking, guys. I don't really know what's going on, but I don't really like it. And we have an SMT like this. Oh, I forgot to say. Also, what's driving my bias is on the high time frame we had an SMT like this as well. I only marked it out on ES. I believe it was not this low. This low? Oh. Oh well. Either way. Yeah. High time frame SMT as well. And looks like we're about to be break even here. I might. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to go break even here because NQ is gonna take out the high before. If NQ takes out the high, NQ is taking out the high before ES does. Clearly, that's not gonna look too good. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I might as well go. I'm probably just gonna go break even right now. I wouldn't want to see lower than this 2 minute that's gonna form in 30 seconds, honestly. So ES is now pumping up. It's fine with me though. Still NQ. They're probably about the same as in to like who's closer. Can we stop lollygagging? Can we take out the high? 2 minutes now, straight nothing. I mean, I'm probably gonna go break even either way. Gosh, man, I wish I meant to risk two, bro. That's so annoying. Okay. Question is now, do I be frisky and I... Oh yeah, this 4 hour gap here is gonna form here at 10 a.m. Do we swing it, guys? 3R. I have that marked out here. High time frame fair value gap here at 10 a.m. So this 4 hour is gonna open at 10 a.m. Obviously, we have this next one up there, but I'm not gonna lie, boys. I mean, I wish I raised two contracts, but it's not even about the red, bro. I think we're going that high. I'm not gonna lie to you. Especially if we see clear buying pressure. Once we come up and take this, I would start trailing my stop. My stop, which is in profit. I should probably say it like that. Yeah, boys, we'll just run for the money, man. I don't really see anything. So like ES and NQ both took out that high, so I don't really see anything stopping us. If you want me to be completely honest. I would definitely not want to see lower than this. Yeah, I mean, no, we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, I am very confident in this trade. The fact that we are haven't already even taken out like my TP, like my first, like where I marked out, what was it, 1.4R, like the fact that we haven't taken that out is like, I'm surprised, man. Like this is a trade. Like this was a fast reaction down, fast rejection out. Like we should be moving right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. We should be moving. We shouldn't just be chopping around my break even. I'm not gonna lie. No, this is all yellow folder day, so maybe that's why. But definitely want to see some momentum for sure. But we'll risk it for the money, guys. We'll risk it. See, now that's the type of displacement I wanted to see, which is good. So that's now original TP. I might just exit, bro. Because I'm not, this might not even form, like we might even but we'll start trailing here. And we'll just be watching. Only problem is I can't trail too much. Oof, that's a decent pump. I mean, we're seeing some momentum here, so we'll stay in it. See, that's the thing too. At 10 a.m., we're probably gonna invalidate here this 1 hour, which is making me want to stay. We'll keep watching, boys. We'll keep watching. I mean, in the ideal scenario, we're here and I get to put my stop at my original TP. Now, I for sure do not want to see lower than this. Like, this gap has got to hold. Or honestly, the gap could realistically just be all of this. I might just take my money, guys. me see how. Oh, yeah, so the 5-minute didn't close too hot. Oh, decisions. At least we're deciding where we should put our stop. That's in, or like whether we should get out or not while we're in profit, and not like freaking deciding to move our stop deeper into the negatives. But I don't know what to do. It's just kind of annoying because I wish I was 2, bro. The key thing to always ask yourself, would you be mad if it did not play out in your situation? And I'm not going to lie to you boys. If this ended up losing, I would low-key be upset. So, because of that, let's just see how this candle let's see how this candle goes. Oh, we're not even inside the 2-minute yet. That's not good. We'll run it like that. I'll be done. Yeah, I'll be done like that. No, I'm saying we'll be done by that because if you look at ES isn't really close to that high. So I'd rather we can just get out, boys. It's more than what I originally, I mean, obviously this should have been 422 or 423, I'm sorry. But it is what it is, man. Bruh.
Order filled.
That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do. All before 10 a.m. We're done. Workday is done. Made a band. I'm just end the video right there. I mean, we don't even need a trade recap. We don't even need an explanation. I did it all live, so there y'all boys go. Ended up taking stuff right there. Oh, this was here. So for about a 2R. I mean, we can see, but once again, it's just, oh, wow. Oh, that was just a random spike. But yeah, got out 2R. Pretty unfortunate. Pretty unfortunate with the, oh yeah, and real quick, this is what I was saying, like with the SMT thing. I mean, I'm sure this is not going to hold. I have more conviction that we are going to come up here, but the fact that this is going on, I don't really like. I do think we're going higher though. Like, do not get me wrong. I still think the trade is going to go up. I have pretty strong conviction in it. But the only problem is, like, you've got to ask yourself, if this trade were to fail, like, would I be mad at myself? I think this is also a good, like, little psych thing, because, like, before you enter a trade, you should be like, is this my setup, you know? And if it's a loser, would I be mad? Because if it's your setup, you can't be mad at yourself, right? Like, you know that that's your setup, and you know that your setup also has losses, so you really can't be mad at yourself if it's a trade that you know you should have taken. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and if this trade were to not play out, and we were just to dump all the way down here where I was like in $80 of profit, I would be upset. Because I would like a winning day for sure, obviously. This makes 5. I think this makes 5 winning days, so I think that's another payout. It's either 5 or 4. I don't really know, but if that were to happen, and I only made $80 today on all accounts, I would be upset 100%. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's a situation where, boom, you know, like, I've got to follow my rules, and I just basically can't get greedy. That's the thing. Between these two, bro, it's just greed. Now I wish I meant to risk 2, bro. I did not want to risk $100 freaking dollars, bro. I always risk like 200 to 250. But it is what it is, man. I mean, it's a winning day, so it is what it is. But usually I make like 300 or something like that, like twice the amount of winning days. But this is the video. Catch y'all, boys. Live trading, W trades. I'll catch y'all. Peace. Hope it helps.